Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Katie and today I'm redoing a piece of work that I did back in 2012. So the original is on the right hand side of the screen, and that was done in a A4 Moleskine sketch pad, and I used fine pens for the lot. It was a combination of the Stabilo and the Staedtler ones, which are quite easily accessible, and I absolutely loved using these, and I still do. It's just quite time consuming. The reason why I went to going more traditional with techniques was I did used to work quite a lot with digital media about 10-15 years ago, kind of on the back of university really, and then my laptop died and I was too broke to replace it, and I don't know, it's kind of weird, but that kind of gave me a bit of a wake-up call that I was perhaps depending a little bit too much on digital media to work on. As she says, doing digital media right now, right? But to carry on doing art and with limited funding, I would use these fine pens and just get in all those details that I couldn't prior. And don't get me wrong, my digital skills are not great, if I'll be quite honest with you. What I knew 15 years ago is completely obsolete now. Anyway, on the left hand side of the screen is me trying my best to recreate this on Procreate, and I know I'm not going to get all that line detail in there, and that's absolutely fine. I kind of want my style digitally to be different to what it is using more traditional techniques. I also think that being able to work a little bit more in the digital realm will make it a bit more accessible to get my images and make prints and all little bits and bobs, so that's the main reason. Oh, and to add some little animated bits to my intros and bits and bobs on my videos, so that's the main reason why. I do find it really unusual though how each picture you've got in front of you there, how there's a different personality to each one. I think that's really interesting, and I like how refined I can get it digitally, but I kind of think, I don't know, I think if I was using it as a logo that would be great, or as a print. However, I quite like the little imperfections on the original as well, which of course is why I'm still going to keep working traditionally. So please, 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 I don't want you to panic. I've not changed the dynamics of what I do. This is just a new technique, and I kind of like it. It's nice sort of revisiting it. So I like the differences between the two there. And I also get to try out different colour schemes as well. This could, you know, be completely different. I could use pinks or all sorts of colours. Anyway, we're all done with the digital one. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. I mean, I've done them both and I like them both, so I'm just happy to hear what you guys think on this. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new and haven't subscribed, make sure you do, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!